This is my bike check. I got Odyssey power ends, Cardinal sole grips, Shadow Voltus bars, 8.5, Fit download drop stem, Shadow Corvus headset, Eastern Hawkeye forks, red, Primo balance front wheel, red as you can see, stock Eastern 2010 Eastern Scythe frame, premium sperm saver seat, stock post, stock cranks, Colony Fantastic plastic pedals, Odyssey Bluebird chain, Fit download sprocket, Odyssey hazard light, back wheel, 9-tooth, E-clat slot machine pegs, FBM hub guard, Odyssey dirt path front tire, and a red wall FAF 2.210 tire. And that's everything.